Hey, there's many things you can get away with in life. Unlike these sunglasses, you guys comment, probably the second most commented thing other than firearms is you comment asking about the Oakley collection that we have. I'll get into that later, but more importantly, one thing that is acceptable is my dog's not fast enough, so I'm gonna cut him to look like a lion. He's not that fast right now, so I'm gonna shave him to look like a lion. I think it's gonna make him a little bit faster. So we're gonna try that out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get these clippers, I'm gonna get this towel. It's a magical towel. Throw the clippers down there. Ha! Oh, hold on. Throw the clippers down there to distract them. And then, ha! Ah! Oh my God, no, no, no. Ah! Much better. Okay. I think this worked out. You know, it's definitely lighter. We've done some weight reduction. And he's happy. He likes this. He really does like this. But look at him. He's like a little wolf, a little hyena. This towel really worked really well. Wow. Look at him. Little shredder. More importantly, I don't want to waste your time. We got a new friend, Glock 43. It's Cerakote and flat dark earth. We're gonna have some fun with this later. This is the majority of the video. So. Yeah. What does she think of the G43? I know I was gonna get a double stack, but this just kind of fell into my hands, and oh yeah, she likes it. She loves it. It kind of matches you almost. Jokes aside, this little dude loves this stuff, and he likes being cut or shaved. I keep saying cut. He likes being shaved in the summertime, especially when it's all hot and humid out. He's like a little wolf. Look at him, like a miniature stallion wolf. He normally gallops around all the time. It's just super hot. Dude doesn't want to be a savage right now. He's still a savage. Go get him. Get him. He's a noble steed. This thing, it needs a bath. Aha, so enter the Glock 43. So you guys might not care who I am. I don't care either. I know it doesn't matter, but maybe you might just care about my perspective, which is why you may want to watch this video, or you're just looking for some entertainment with some Glock footage, and I don't blame you. And not that it's needed, but an explanation for these sick Oakleys. I actually forget what brand they, oh, the tail end, the Oakley tail end. They're like handmade or something. Oakleys, I don't really know. It's probably just all marketing. The primary reason why I'm wearing them is because I have so many comments and DMs about my other sunglasses. Regular sunglasses. I figured I'd troll you guys, because that's what I'm best at doing, trolling people. Back to the Glock 43, what we can do is move all of this stuff out of the way, and this is the first time she's meeting the A4. Now what I will do is I'll explain to you guys real quickly before we start shooting, get into some quick little run and gun tactics with this. I'm alone, so not too much sure, Matt. I'm alone, so I'm not too sure how I'm going to be filming a lot of this. I don't have a tripod on me, just a camera. Very minimal equipment with me right now. Just really wanted to get out and shoot this. I admit this is not my first time shooting this. First shot with the new G43. It's going to have to be a one-hander. Sorry, Mom. I ran exactly 50 rounds, just one box of ammo, 9mm fed ammo with 0 issues. I didn't even lube this gun yet, and I still haven't, so we'll see. I might run into something, but I don't have the stuff on me right now, and I want to get some content with this, shooting this thing. Also, I just want to shoot it, so that is that. Now, a brief explanation as to what the whole deal is with this 43 and why I got it. Obviously, it's a little scarce right now. I had some permits in the pipeline. It's scarce as far as firearms go with getting anything, and I was looking for a 43X, saw this and a 43X, black 43X, and this, obviously it's not a OEM factory coating. Some of you might know that, but yeah, this is just a the distributor that I got from Gun Rack. I will happily shout out Gun Rack all the time because they're amazing. But yeah, they had this. And I also have something else in the pipeline too. But before I get into that, full admittance, I just want to let you all know the 43, the first time I shot it, Snapchat and Instagram does see it first, so follow me there if you care, if you give a fuck. Otherwise, we're gonna get into it right here. It fits my hand the best right here. You can kind of see the only issue is with dropping a mag out. Now, that was intentional dropping that, but when you're kind of in the shit of things, it's a little bit different, because your pinky tends to hold on that grip and you're just trying to be hasty and as efficient and quick as possible once you're running through some rounds on this. We got some steel set up. I'm not going for precision, mainly just accuracy here, so we're gonna run some drills and have some fun with it. We'll see what I can record, what I can. I don't always record everything out here because, well, my battery's full right now, so I probably can get a bunch of weird stuff, but I just want to get some content with the 43. Flat Dark Earth looks really good. Let's put it right next to the Troy again. Yeah, this is a loud one compared to all my others. I'm into subcompact, so I get it, but whoo, she's a loud one. She is a loud one. Matches really well. This is Coyote Brown. That's Flat Dark Earth. We got Flat Dark Earth right here. On point. Yep. Do it again. I'll show you. You can see it's pretty identical. Solid little piece. So, gonna have some fun with that. This guy is ready to rip. So is 43. So it's about that time. Just so you see the path that we're actually taking for this entire drill, it's a quick little 50-meter run over to here. We're gonna come down here. It's on a descent, so it's a little weird. Take cover right where it slopes out, the grade stops, and you're open up to 3 of your targets right here. 2 shots on target, mag out, 2 shots on target. I have 1 in the pipe, so we're just doing 3 shots either on the first or the last, and that's that. See what I mean? So just a quick explanation of that little mishap right there. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, I don't care. I'm gonna be up front. I look retarded with the ear pro around my hair. With the way my hand fits on this, and probably other people as well, you notice my pinky on that extended mag. Doesn't happen on the other one, but once you hit this mag release, my pinky catches it. So just something I gotta get used to doing is kind of when I do a reload, learn how to throw my hand up, but even the bottom of my hand catches it. It's just one thing I gotta get familiar with. It's just an operator error. Obviously, no one's saying it's not. By the way, these glasses are fucking sweet. I need to start shooting with these more. I don't care how crazy I look with them more. It kind of goes with the hair. It kind of goes with the hair. I got this like mad scientist thing going on. You guys probably shouldn't trust any gun advice I give you, any firearm advice. Definitely entertainment purposes only. Definitely strictly entertainment. Don't try this at home. Don't hurt yourself. That's just a characteristic of the gun that I'm gonna have to adapt to and be able to work around and work with and learn. That's all that is. More shooting, shall we? I think so. Got 2 boxes left of these. Well, actually, oh God, I just ran through about 5 of these. I don't know if all of it's gonna make the video, just because, I mean, if you guys want stuff like that, let me know. She's hot. We got about 150 rounds through her in the past, I don't know, half hour or so. Not rushing through it, but not taking our time either. Woo! Murking this ammo. Whenever I buy a new gun, I try to find a case to a lot to it, and not consider that case really overstock, just blow through it and use it. I will say the mag loader for this was not a huge fan of the mag loader. I'm new to single stack Glocks. This is I've shot them before. This is the first one I've owned. Double stack Glocks. Never owned one, shot a ton of them. So yeah, 1 in the pipe. Throw the extended in first, and then we got the backup right here. I'm gonna work on getting some more magazines. This is what the gun came with, and they didn't have any in stock. They thought they did, but they didn't have any in stock when I initially was trying to get them. So that's that. fucking mag, dude. Yo, so quick little update. I might be too close. Quick little update on this thing. Dude, she's a beaut. She's a beaut. Cycles really well. No issues still. Cycles really well. No issues yet. Oh, just a guide rod. That thing just, it's like butter when it's hot. Slides right open. Internals. It's really nothing to see here. It didn't get too dirty. We got about 250 rounds through her. Nothing atypical. Solid gun. There's typical wear. I mean, sweet little girl we got here. I really like the flat dark earth. Let me know what you guys think about that. I think it looks good. Maybe, you know, we're stock here. I actually don't mind the stock sights. You know, you're just dropping that ball into the hoop right there. But yeah, they're plastic, whatever. I get that. We'll probably get some night sights, some tritium sights, or some true glows. I really like Glock's night sights. I've shot some of their guns that have night sights, and really, really cool little things. That mag release keeps fucking me up. I'm trying to include a lot of those clips actually, just so you see when I do fuck up. And yeah, this thing's getting me. I probably got to run some more ammo through, mag changes, just cycle through mag changes. So if I get more magazines, it'll help. But switching from this to this, my brain is all fucked up. I like when things are uniform. I don't like when things are fucking different. So just something to consider when you do get mag extensions. I know this is the factory one. Sweating like a pig out here. Have uniform mag extensions. You have 5 mags, get 5 similar mag extensions. This doesn't have an extension. I really like this extension. It's hollow. It'd be nice if, you know, it was a +1 or whatever, but I get it. It's a factory OEM mag with a factory extension. So yeah. Let's do some more shooting. We'll pull the A4 out too. I know you guys want to see the A4, so we will definitely do that. One-hander. Yo, so just a little trick. I'm no firearms instructor. I'm not trying to be. Something that helps me. When I'm shooting with 2 hands, I'm pointing my thumbs at my target, and that's pretty much getting me 99% there. And then I'm doing my little incremental, meticulous movements to get the sights on point, on target. Also, when I'm one-handed, say if I'm doing right-handed, my finger is there. And I'm trying to get either my finger, and once my finger's in the trigger well, it's my knuckle, I'm trying to point my knuckle. Just like you're trying to catch a ball, you want to look at the ball when you go to catch it. It's just hand-eye coordination. It helps me a little. I don't think I've ever seen someone say that or discuss that. Maybe they have, I don't know. But it just helps me a little to try to figure that out. Get that in there. And then when you have both hands, dude, it's something that's really helped me. So any beginners out there, anybody that hasn't tried that, give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Can't hurt to try. And tell me I'm an asshole, because I'm probably gonna be wrong, because you're a genius. Oh, my left hand. Right, so that's gonna be it. I am soaked right now. It's super hot out. Can take these off. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little video with this. Let me know what you want more of. We're gonna shoot the A4 next. And yeah, I'll catch you later. Have a good one. It's super hot out, dude.